Hi everyone and welcome back to another math lesson with me, Mrs. Mansouri. As we've previously been looking at, we've been focusing on subtraction. Today we are going to continue with subtraction but focusing on a different method. So we've already looked at crossing out, as you did the last lessons, and we've also used different objects. Okay, so we're moving on from that today and we are going to be focusing on something that looks like this. So, who can remember what is this? Fantastic, it's a number line and we've used a lot of these in class. So the first thing we need to remember when we use a number line for subtraction is that we go forwards or backwards. Well done, it is backwards on a number line, so we are going in this direction to the, fantastic, to the left. So you need to start on your number and then go backwards. Okay, so I'm going to write a question and then we are going to use our number line to help us solve our problem. So let's begin. 10 take away 4 equals. So that is my question for today. Okay, so remember the first thing we have to do is look at what number we are starting on. And as I said, we either underline it or in my case, I'm going to highlight it for us to see clearly. So I'm going to start on number 10, okay? And then after that, we circle our number. So I'm circling my number 10. And then how many jumps back do we need to do? 4, fantastic. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, I've circled the number I've landed on. What number did I land on? Fantastic, 6. So my answer is 6. Okay, and that is the same thing if we were to use our objects or draw at them ourselves. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to cross out how many? 4. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the answer is the same. It doesn't matter which method you use, it's whatever you feel comfortable and confident in using. But we are going to continue trying to use a number line today. Okay, so let's continue to our next one. So this time I would like you to try and do it yourselves. So first of all, you can try and draw your own number lines or you can get your mummies and daddies to do one for you. Okay, so the question we are going to do now is 7 take away 3 equals. Can you try and solve that, please? So remember to think about what you need to do first, what you need to do next, and then what you need to do after. Okay, so now stop the video while you solve it, and I'm going to go through it with you once you have finished. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a look what number you are starting on. So it's the big number at the beginning, and then you will circle it on your number line. So I'm going to circle the number 7. Next, how many jumps do we need to do backwards? Fantastic, 3. 1, 2, 3. What number did I land on? 4, fantastic, well done. And I'm going to write my answer after my equal sign. Well done. We are going to do one more together while you are having a bit of support, and then I would like you to do some by yourself. So the next question we are going to do, let me think. I'm going to give you a big number this time. 11 take away 5 equals. So the first thing you have to do is, well done, you start on your biggest number. So I'm going to circle it for you to see, and I would like you to now try and solve this question by yourselves. So please stop the video now, and then I will continue to solve the problem. So Now that you've solved, let's double check if you have done it correctly. So the first thing you did was circle the number 11, because that is our starting number. And how many jumps backwards do we need to do? 5. Fantastic. Let's go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I circle my finishing number, which is 6. Well done. If you had it correct, give yourselves a tremendous. Fantastic. Well done, you guys. So what I'm going to ask you to do now is you are going to solve the following questions. So again, it's the same as last week, the same layout, so we don't get ourselves confused. So we're going to begin on these questions. If you're finding these a little bit too easy, you can move on to the challenging questions, okay? Once you've finished doing these, please upload them onto Tapestry, and then I look forward to seeing all your fantastic work. So that's me done for another week, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next week for another fun maths lesson. Bye, stay safe.